Whiskey!
Okay, I'll be the judge of that.
Yeah.
Let's see if it's good whiskey.
I mean, look at that package. Just look at that. Like, you want to lick the box.
Darling, yeah, they're infused whiskey with dark chocolate.
You always know it's going to be good when they say infused.
You always know it's going to be good when they say alcohol, isn't it?
I'm not a massive fan of dark chocolate, are you?
Oh, I really like dark chocolate.
Oh wow.
Yeah, that's dark chocolate.
Get that smell into you. Can you smell it?
Dark chocolate is good for you. It's an antioxidant, so...
Yes, it is.
I really want to like it, but I'm not a dark chocolate person.
Oh, that's nice.
Not really getting the whiskey.
It's quite strong.
It tastes
is
like
strong.
it comes from the glens of Ireland. Rich whiskey rolling down my throat.
Do you think you get drunk if you ate the whole thing?
I think you get sick before you got drunk. They're very rich.
Oh my god, it's Trader Joe's! No, fuck me. Is there a speculoos chocolate? Is there? Oh my god. If there was whiskey and speculoos, my life would be complete.
Maximum alcohol content. 1.66%.
That is
come on!
Come on!
That's good, right? For a
That
little
is good,
chocolate.
yeah.
Do you know, like if you're on the train and you don't want to bring your nagging with you, you're just like,
So does that mean?
what are you looking at? It's chocolates, right? Yeah.
Sit down.
And you start getting all aggro because it's whiskey.
Yeah.
I love brandy.
Trader Joe's again!
I'm not a fan of brandy though, so if these are very strong with brandy, I'm going to be like,
Now, this is what I'm talking about. None of this in percent, which is...
Better than the other one.
Are you ready for it?
Cheers.
Cheers.
Oh,
Oh my god, it's just a shot of brandy in
It's a
it.
fucking shot. And I said I don't like brandy.
I literally had to drink this chocolate. It's like a little glass. Yes, and then I said to her, it tastes like brandy.
It's quite sweet as well.
Yeah, it's got that little brandy kick, you know?
Ah!
It's weird, isn't it?
I'm gonna cry just from the shock of it.
the point of chocolate is to be sweet and lovely and taste nice, but that's
Yeah, but the more you eat, the better they taste. Ha! Like I am.
I'm not having another one.
Can I crack it open so you can see the...
Yeah! I'll watch that. Science.
But still, 4.9%. I want at least 50% alcohol. Come on! Like, what are you doing to me here?
And I'll even put this down, right?
I told you.
Yeah, you're
I
tricking
want
me.
you to serve me a glass of whiskey with some chocolates flowing.
Look. Like... Wow. But it's so brandy. It was like a chocolate I've never had before.
Those beans are full to the brim with brandy.
Trader Joe's! Yes!
Oh my god.
better than.
No, I don't like cherry.
It's okay.
I don't know.
Oh, remember a sweet shot. Like a very sweet shot.
They're quite sexual if you suck the alcohol out of them. And I'll with you.
Yeah, I feel very sexy right now.
Oh no, these are making me sick.
If you have a few of these, you'll be like, yeah. Mom, let me tell you what I really think about you, Mom.
A bitter aftertaste, even more bitter than my soul.
How is that 4.44% alcohol? I didn't get any like ooh feeling. I just got it like ew.
These are nay, but I don't want my nay to tamper the good name of Trader Joe because look, just because it doesn't suit me doesn't mean it doesn't suit somebody else.
I like the bean. They were fun. There was loads happening. There was sticky everywhere.
So he wants the bean in his mouth, and I just want the first one.
I would say Captain Morgan. They could put Captain Morgan in one.
If it was white wine, or Jägermeister, or even... Or
Jägermeister?
I love Jägermeister.
Oh, oh no.
Why don't you like Jägermeister?
Jeez, not in the chocolate. I want to enjoy nice things.